Yo, guys, what's up? This is American English with Larentay. Welcome back, guys, to another episode that's going to be a part A episode that's going to connect with episode one. And I want to cover two phrases from that episode, and which I will cover more, but I want to cover two that I think are really important to know and understand, and that you can put into your speech, incorporate into your speech. And first word that we're going to cover is without further ado, which it's a very old, classic, formal to casual way to transition. That it means pretty much like after you get done, small talking, warming up about a subject with somebody or talking to somebody, you get to the main point. And this is something that shows up a lot in daily speeches, YouTube videos, podcasts, etc., etc. And this it's very interesting. This phrase, it's so simple, but it's so multi-purpose. You can use it in several ways when it comes to warming up about something. And it signals that, all right, the warm up is over. Like when you warm up for before doing your workout routine at a gym or outside. So I gotta say, it's immediately followed by the main topic or action of whatever you're talking about when you're giving a speech about something or a subject or whatever. All right, so now we're gonna cover the second word, which is very, very common to say, which is so. This is a very casual word that people say. It's a beautiful, simple piece of everyday English that, it pretty much it signifies, it means something, neutral. So it's not good, it's not bad, it's so. And it's pretty much like a middle ground word. It's a middle. I'm sorry, guys. It's like a middle ground word. Like I said, it's neutral. It can be wishy washy or yeah, or I guess in that sense. And it's set in a neutral tone. It's like it's flat. Like, for example, somebody says, "Hey, how you doing?" And you're like, "Eh, so," and you see it's flat. Or somebody asks you how's the project going about something, and you feel good about it, but you're not quite there. We're getting the result we're getting the results that you want. So you can be like, hey, say for example, hey, how's the project going? And you're like, so. And you hear that rise, that inflection in my voice. So those are ways that you can use the word so. So it communicates disappointment, a neutral view of something or how you feel or your state of something. But also at the same time, it can be said in a positive way if you feel good about something, but it's still neutral. But I hope that makes sense, guys. If you have any questions about these two very common casual words, you know what to do. Put some comments down in the put your comments down below, and I will get back with you. And what you realize also, even though I'm a native English speaker, sometimes I still make mistakes speaking, and this is universal in any language. You probably make mistakes in your language. So my point of me mentioning this is that no matter your level in your native language or any language, you always can make improvements, and you're always going to make mistakes, and that's just is what it is. It's fine. You're not going to get better without speaking, and likewise, with me speaking about what I'm trying to teach you guys, the more I talk and do these, the more comfortable that I will get. Sorry, guys, I have a very slangish way of saying the word comfortable to where I will say comfortable, which I will talk more about that later on. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the episode, and till next time, ciao, ciao.